girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
Say baby, hide the mention. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hoping not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kind of vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down.
I know it's not even this spring yet, but spring is coming up very soon, and I was feeling very spring-like. You know, I got my yellow, I got my butterfly clips in my hair, and it's giving SZA kind of vibes. I wish I just had another one because I have like 3 over here, 2 over here, and I've been like playing around with it, trying to see like what I want to put where. But yeah, so this is the look nonetheless. Like, I could take the clips out, but for the purpose of the aesthetic, I want to keep them in, and it's just giving spring vibes. And I really do love this hair, you guys. This is such a gorgeous unit, and this is from BGMGirl hair. I have worked with them a lot lately actually, and I've been really liking their units. Last unit that I tried with them was actually a Kinky straight unit, and I really did like that unit. And now I have in this gorgeous curly hair. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a variety so you guys can see like what their company has, you know, see some of their other textures. I believe the first time that I ever worked with them though, ago, I did a review on some of their straight hair, and their straight hair is bomb too. Like, I might need to like link the other 2 videos beneath this one or something for you guys so you guys can check those out. But today, you guys, we having this water wave unit. This is a 26-inch unit, and I love it. You guys know I love really long curly units. The best thing about this unit though is the fact that it was so quick and easy to install. It literally didn't take me any time to install this unit, and it looks very natural without adding any baby hairs to it. I just feel like not every unit needs the baby hairs, you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes you can, you know, put them in and go crazy with the look, and then other times you can just kind of like, you know, do the natural vibe, and that's definitely what we're giving today. This unit looks so natural. When you pull the hair back or if the wind blows, it's giving. And the other thing that I really like about this unit is the fact that it came pre-plucked as well. Like, the hairline is just A1, chef's kiss. Like, it's just everything. I'm loving the parting space in this unit as well. As you guys can see, there is a very deep parting space, and this is their 9x6 HD lace closure unit. So you get a lot of parting space, not only in the center but off to the sides as well. So the tracks don't start until like down here. So it's almost like a it's almost giving like a lace front kind of look without buying a lace front, and I love that about it. And like I said, it's pre-plucked so well. Like, love that. You don't have to use any product. Like, when I say you don't have to use any product, you don't have to use any product on this unit. The only thing that I did do was just put a little bit of foaming mousse here at the top, but you don't even have to do that. You could literally just use water and a brush or your hand comb, and you're pretty much good to go. You know, just to set it in place, I like using foaming mousse because it just gets, you know, your hair looking nice and tamed at the top. So we love that about it. And I like that this unit is straight out of the box, y'all. This is straight out of the box. This is not me washing it, bleaching it, doing anything to the unit. I literally took it out of the box and put it right on my head, and boom, voila, here we are. And it was quick and easy to put on, so I love that about it. No water was put even on this half. I didn't have to wait for my hair to dry. But yeah, this is out of the box, y'all. Just like out of the box bomb. Like, look at the curls. They're so beautiful, so defined. You don't have to do anything extra to get the curls to be defined. Perfect for people who have a very fast-paced, like on the go kind of lifestyle, and they don't have time to like sit there and do all the baby hairs and all of that. This unit is literally bomb and ready to go. You are vacation ready. You are just ready for any occasion, honestly. And I really like this unit. And it's just giving spring vibes, you know what I mean, with the yellow and the butterflies. Another thing that I noticed about this unit, like straight out of the packaging, is the fact that like the knots are really tiny on this unit, like, which is perfect because it makes it look more realistic. And the knots came bleached, so pre-plugged, knots are bleached, it's comfortable. Like, the no slip elastic band keeps the unit nice and secure, especially the comb in the back. And then there's 2 combs on the side as well, so you can, you know, hook your unit on that way too. Like I said, this is a completely product-free, glueless-free unit. I don't have any product, any glue adhering this unit. Like, I can literally put my comb like all the way in there, like, you know what I'm saying? And voila, no product is necessary, and it still looks really good. It's still very secure. I can also lift it up and put it right back down, but I hate when I do that and then like my makeup's all messed up. But y'all see the vibes. So yeah. And then for reference, I am 5'2". Like I said, this is a 26-inch unit. I want to say that the density is between like 180 to 200% density, but don't quote me on that. But I really like the fullness of this unit, and the curls are just bomb. Like, y'all see where it's hitting, and then if you pull it, you know, it goes a lot longer, so it's like past like my waist area. So love that. And then from the back, this is what it looks like from the side. And then stretching it again. So it's pretty long. If you've never heard of BGMGirl hair, I think now is the time to go ahead and click on that link down below and check out some of their units, because I'm really liking this one. I know a lot of you guys really love my curly hair reviews. I love doing curly hair reviews. I like wearing curly hair just as much as all of you guys do. And I think I have a pretty good, you know, since I work with like so much hair like for years, I kind of have a knowing for like what's good quality and what's not. And I would say that this is definitely like a 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100. Like, it's just bomb all the way across the board. I absolutely love it. I have nothing bad to say about this unit whatsoever. So no glue required, no plucking required, no bleach required, no product required, no washing, anything. You don't need to do anything with this unit, but just literally slide it on your head and you're good to go. So love this unit, love how quick and easy it was to install it. It's very beautiful. It's absolutely just like one of my current favorites. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Liking the video definitely helps me out a whole lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate every last one of you, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.